Our goal in solving this inequality is to find the value of x, which makes the inequality true. First, let's rewrite the inequality so that the left side is only x. To do this, let's eliminate 7 in front of x. So, we are going to divide both sides of the inequality by 7. Here, it is important to treat both sides equally. So, when we divide one side of the inequality by a number, we must divide the other side by the same number. After dividing them by 7, the left side of the inequality is simplified to x. Then, let's simplify the right side of the inequality. 42 divided by 7 is 6. So, x is less than 6. This tells us that x is all numbers less than 6. To graph this on the number line, let's shade in all the numbers to the left of 6. Then, let's put a parenthesis at 6 to show that the solution does not include 6. Also, this can be written in interval notation. Here, we use the symbol negative infinity, since there is no lower end to the solution.